Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. Today I want to restart with the ABRSM syllabus, and I'm talking about the grade 1 piano exam pieces for the 2023-2024. I want to play for you the B2 piece, a Morning Sunbeam. This is quite simple, shouldn't be that challenging for you. Very simple elements, for example, broken chord, G major broken chord on the left. We are in the key of G. One change of key, we start in the G major, but then there is a change, we go to the C major, where the melody moves from the right to the left, and goes back here to the G major, repeating, let's say, elements of the first part with obviously a different ending. I'm going to play it for you first at high speed, at the final, let's say, speed, and then I will play slowly. As you probably noticed, I was trying to emphasize as much as I could these 3-note slur, giving this effect almost of bouncing da-da-da, da-da-da. I don't know if you've noticed, I do da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. And also I tried to spot the 2-note slurs on the right, if I could, for example, where you do the drop on the first and the release, the roll, up at the end of the second. When you have the 3-note slur, as we know, we do drop, connect, roll. If we can respect these elements, I think it will be very appreciated by the examiner the day of the exam. And obviously you will learn how to play respecting much more all the elements that are, let's say, enriching the music sheet. Now I'm going to play it very slow for you. For example, I can do at about 72 per crotchets or quarter notes. might have noticed that exactly in this point, in these, and in this one, the sound is a little bit strange. It's normal because there is a kind of clashing of the E and the F. It's a little bit strange sound. I would suggest you to practice a little bit more the ending, because obviously it's challenging. Moving so much the hand in the last line could be challenging for you, where it was quite stable at the beginning. I invite you to watch one tutorial where I talk about the method of practice. I'm leaving the link in the description below. In general, you should study building out a piece first of all bar by bar from the beginning, then at some point from the end going backwards, and when needed from choosing one place, one bar, for example, 2 bars in the middle of the piece, and building it up, adding bars to the right and to the left. But it's all very well explained in one of my tutorials. I keep repeating, I will leave the link in the description below. One more thing, you can, as they suggest, you can choose to play it at 63 maximum per dotted minim. What does it mean per dotted minim? That this is the speed of the whole bar, where if you want to express it per crotchets, you have to simply do 69 times 3, that would be 207. Obviously you can reach step by step 207. 207 is the final one. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 180, so 3 times 60 is 180. 180 plus 27 is 207. 207 is the final speed expressed per crotchets. I hope it's all clear to you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.